is going to the dogs. Sabby got a bark box and she's really excited. So she wanted to be in the video and so she could show you what she got in this month's box. This one, its theme is the Australian Outback. You want to pick this stuff out yourself? What do you want to touch first? And I think she's gonna like this one. She loves squeaky toys. This one is Yabo Wombat. That is adorable. Aw, thank you, baby. Oh, that's so cute. I want to keep it. This is Topanga Kanga. Thanks, Abs. Does this squeak? Yeah, it's a squeaker. Sabby's like, what? Sabby loves the peanut butter. You want to try? You want to do a taste test? We will let BarkBox know how it tastes. Right here, right on the spot. Peanut butter kisses. Oh yeah, this is a hit. That good, Sabs? That good treat? Meat pie mate. It is lamb. Her other favorite. Let's see what size these are. Yeah, Mama's gonna have to break it in half for the diva. Oh, God, it smells. What does Sabby do with these? Waits patiently at the back door till we open it, and then she's gone. She's gone to hide the stick. She has sticks hidden all over the place in the backyard. Sometimes she'll go back to them like the same day or the next day, but I actually think she's forgotten where she's put a lot of these sticks. She likes that taste. Her ritual with the stick is very ritualistic. So she gets really serious about these things. Like, she's acting like she doesn't like it right now because she's already plotting where in the yard she's gonna put it. Oh, and this is her chic today. It's been a little chilly out here. So since she insists on being outside in the cold, in the rain that we've been having, she's wearing her skull sweater. Let's show them. Show them your little skull. She has a skull right there. So she's like me. And like I said, they put all kinds of content in their boxes that are kind of fun. And you can see all the toys that a dog can possibly get in these boxes. So they're not all the same toys. And it just gives you a little background in doggy style. Doggy style, dog language, dog speak. It even has a little pocket right here. Maybe I'll put treats in there and she can work her way through some treats. Give her something to do. She's a little bored not going to the dog park. She really misses going to the dog park. See, there we go. Say, I see you in my next video. I see you in my next video. And she does have an Instagram, Sabby G Chanel, spelled like Chanel, C-H-A-N-E-L. So she has pictures up there quite often and little videos of her playing around. So let her get to her ritual with her stick because I could tell that that's on her mind right now. So we'll see you in the next BarkBox unboxing video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and comment below and subscribe to this channel. And if somebody needs to see a dog, share this video with them. Take care of yourself.